I want to give you a little exercise that you can take with you. And this exercise is called body scan. And you need anywhere from 3 minutes to as long as you'd like to, sometimes up to an hour if you'd like. And you sit, but 3 minutes is fine. I like 10 in the afternoon. But you'd sit either on the ground or in a chair with your eyes either closed or softly closed. And you bring your focus and awareness to the top of your head. And then as you've reached there with your awareness, you allow it to flow down over your body, through your head, your face, your neck, shoulders, arms, torso, into your hips and core, and down into your legs to your toes, and reverse that direction. And repeat this for as long as you choose to do it, okay, on any given day. What I'd like to see is in the comments box below your experience of doing this, even just once. But maybe give it a few times and let me know what your experience is of that body scan, okay? Look forward to hearing back from you, and until next time, stay well.